Okay, so real quick, the point of this one is to have a foam roller, interlock your fingers behind your head, raise your hip off the ground, and just push yourself back and forth, up and down, and take your time. Really breathe into each roll, and you will feel so much of your back popping, and everything is going to pop and crackle and crank and crock, whatever that means, on your back. It's going to feel good. You want to just take your time and breathe into it, and it feels even better.